Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what's inside a USB. Have you guys ever wondered what's inside a USB? So, today I'm going to show you what's inside a USB. Just a warning, I may love technology, but I'm not very good at it. I think there we go. That was pretty easy. So this is probably where you plug it in. Information probably travels through there. This information, like the data, travels through and it probably gets stored around here. There we go. And here is the motherboard. Yeah. Here's the 16 gigabytes of storage. Like you can see, it's 16 gigabytes. Comes as a company, Abigus. Some barcodes. And yeah, a serial code. So guys, that's what's inside a USB. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to Dork Boy.